Coca-Cola and Red, along with Wyclef Jean, One Republic, Avicii, Magic Johnson, Bono, Lindsey Sterling, Aloe Black, Deadmau5, Queen, and many more in the fight to share the sound of an AIDS-free generation.
We cannot wait to hang out with you, and you get to spend 24 hours with us.
Meet me at the 2015 All-Star Game at Madison Square Garden.
You get a mouse head. You get to hang out with me for the day.
Live the ultimate year in music with me.
Hear and download exclusive new music from Wyclef Jean featuring Avicii.
Divine blessing.
One Republic.
I swear I like to teach the world to sing.
Aloe Black. And Queen, featuring never-before-heard vocals from Freddie Mercury. An AIDS-free generation is achievable. Every generation has their calling. Ours is to end AIDS.